Hello everyone. Today's question of the day is based upon time, speed, distance. This is a question from CAT 19. The question is two ants A and B start from a point P on a circle at the same time, with A moving clockwise and B moving anti-clockwise. They meet for the first time at 10 am when A has covered 60% of the track. If A returns to P at 10:12 am, then B returns to P at. So first of all, we need a circular track over here. Both of them, they are starting from a point P, so let this be that point P. Okay, A is moving in clockwise direction, so A will move like this. B is moving in anti-clockwise direction, so B will move like this. We have been given that they meet for the first time at 10 am when A has covered 60% of the track. So let us assume that they meet at this point. Okay, so from point P to point, say this point is Q, this whole length is 60% of the track. Okay, the whole track. So this is the first meeting point. They are meeting here. Okay, A and B, they will meet at Q for the first time, and the time here is 10 am. Okay, then after that we have been given that A returns to P at 10:12 am. So A was here at 10 am. Okay, and he had covered 60% of the track till 10 am. At 10:12 am, A is here. Okay, that means he has reached P again. So from this point Q to this point P, this length of the track is 40% of the whole track. Okay, so we can say that A covered 40% of the track in 12 minutes. Okay, from 10 to 10:12 he is covering 40% of the track, so in 12 minutes. Okay, what we need here is B returns to P at, that means the time at which B is returning to P, B is reaching P. So we know that at 10 am B was over here at this particular point. B will keep moving in this direction. Okay, so this whole distance that he has to cover to reach P is 60% of the track, right? So what will be the time taken by A to cover this 60% of the track that he covered while reaching Q? Okay, so A will cover 60% of the track in, say, X minutes. Okay, so now we can divide these two equations and cross multiply. We'll be getting X equal to 18 minutes. Okay, so that means A covered this 60% of the track in 18 minutes. So in these 18 minutes, when A covered 60% of the track, B covered this 40% of the track. So we can say that B covered 40% of the track in 18 minutes. Okay, what we need to find out is the time taken by B to go from this Q to this point P. Okay, which is 60% of the track. So let us calculate that. B will cover 60% of the track in, say, Y minutes. Okay, so again if you divide and cross multiply, you will be getting Y equal to 1080 upon 40, which is 27 minutes. Okay, so 27 minutes after 10 am, which gives us 10:27 am. So option D will be the correct answer. So I hope this explanation was understood. Apart from this, if you want videos to be made on any particular concept, you can tell us in comments. Thank you.